much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, we have the Look Fantastic unboxing for March 2021. I will leave my Look Fantastic playlist link to watch previous unboxings, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. The Look Fantastic beauty box is $16 a month, but Look Fantastic is still running the amazing promotion that they did for February, where you can get your first box for just $1. All the information will be in my description box below. Thanks again to Look Fantastic for sending this over my way. I am really enjoying the packaging of this box, which the theme for March is the Beauty Beyond Boundaries. And this is what the inside of my box looks like. The first product is by Ahava. This is the Mineral Mud Soap. We have received a lot from this brand in various subscription boxes. I really enjoyed them, but I have not tried this product yet, and I don't even remember like the last time I used a traditional bar soap, especially for my face, if this is what it's for. It is a purifying soap suitable for use on both the face and body, formulated to wash away dirt and impurities without stripping your skin of its necessary moisture, which is super important for me having dry skin all over the body. It smells really good. Shall I say, smells fantastic. I haven't used a traditional bar soap on my face in the longest time. Maybe it was probably when I didn't take skincare as seriously, but this is something more realistically I would probably use on my body. There's only one brand of bar soap I actually use, and it's Lush. I love their Outback soap, and now that they have Sleepy in bar form, it's just amazing. Not only do I get breakouts on my face from time to time, but my shoulders and the back of my neck seem to be a hot area for breakouts, so this is something I definitely want to at least try on those trouble areas just to see if it helps, and I definitely will keep an eye out on if it does strip. That has been my experience in the past with bar soap, is that it does leave my skin even drier, just strips away at any moisture that I had. I have super high hopes on how this product is going to work out. Next, by Brushworks, we have a double-ended brow brush, and this is what the brush looks like. I'm super picky on the shape of these brow brushes. Even though I have been very religious about filling in my brows, some days I just cannot get the shape that I really want it to be. I don't know, maybe it's psychological, but if the shape of the brow brush isn't up to my standards, I know my brows are going to just end up crap. But these brushes are really good to fill in your brows with either powder or pomade. I haven't received a brow powder in a subscription box in a very long time. I get a lot of like the retractable pencils, but I also am working on the KVD brow pomade, which I really do like. Even though like the softer, feathery brow is more in style right now, I'm just trying to get through that pomade. Pomades tend to dry out really quickly on me, so I definitely want to make like a good dent of that product just so it doesn't go to waste, even though I feel like I have gotten my fair share out of it. So I definitely want to put this brush to the test with that pomade and see how well it does fill in and shape out my brows. And I also like that it includes a spoolie. It's something that I didn't really think much of until, you know, you kind of get like a clump of pomade. It didn't dawn on me until I had a brow brush that didn't have a spoolie on the end, so I had to take like a Q-tip to make it work. So it's really convenient to have them on the same ends. I don't know why more brush companies don't do that, because you either get a single brow brush or a single spoolie. Next, by Lottie London, we have the AM to PM retractable eyeliner. Ooh, I love when my eyeliners are retractable, except I feel like the past two ones that I used broke on me. I don't think like I'm like that hard on them, but that's just been my experience lately. And this is one swipe of the Lottie eyeliner. It felt super soft, just gliding on my hand. It doesn't look as pigmented as like my Milk eyeliner, so hopefully that it does build. Usually if I can't get like that rich pigment on my bottom waterline, I'll use these eyeliners for my upper waterline just to fill in after I put on lashes. There's just something about not filling in your upper waterline that just, I feel naked. Like I feel like my eye isn't as complete as it should. I definitely will try it both on the upper and water just to see, but then again, this is just the one swipe. Sometimes I do have to build my eyeliner up a couple times on the waterline just because my eyes get super watery and tend to sabotage. I can always use eyeliner because I go through it constantly in my collection. Well, it doesn't want to come off with this wipe. It's very stubborn, so it looks like it's going to have really good staying power. That is also super important because you don't want to look like a raccoon at the end of the day. Next, by Christopher Robin, just kidding, Christoph Robin. This is the Regenerating Hair Mask. This is a super popular brand that I see in FabFitFun, and I actually have used this particular mask. I got it in an add-on a little bit while back, and it was about the same size as well. I went through it really quick because of how much hair I have, and I really wanted to make sure that my hair was super lathered up. That way my hair absorbed the mask and got like the full benefits of it all the way around, because I tend to just mainly focus on like my ends, which is like the driest parts, but of course you can't neglect the roots in the middle of your hair. I'm really excited to get one of these because it's specifically formulated for damaged dry hair, and I can't really say that mine is damaged anymore. Like my ends are kind of getting gross, but that's because I haven't had a trim since August. But I do have naturally dry hair. My hair definitely needs a lot of help with retaining moisture, softness, smoothness, and this is something that mask really did provide. It looked very healthy, bouncy with some volume. That's when I knew that this mask was actually doing something beneficial for my hair. I haven't seen this in FabFitFun add-ons in quite a hot minute, so it's really nice to get in a box like this, so I know I'm gonna go through it rather quickly. Next, by First Aid Beauty, this was a variation. You could have either received the coconut water cream or the facial radiance pads. We got the radiance pads, and I'm so excited because I'm working on project panning a travel size, and unfortunately I'm almost done with them, but that's part of project pan, so it's really exciting to get that variation in this box because it's a pack of 10. I know that I will definitely use that up within 10 days rather quickly. I'm super picky about pads. These are like the most affordable ones that I can find because I'm also a huge fan of the Dr. Naz If ones. I call those the FabFitFun ones, and then the Elemis also have really good ones, but this one is definitely on like the more affordable side. I really like these pads because it really helps brighten my skin. I do find that I have dull skin from time to time and that it's also uneven. What is great, it's formulated for sensitive skin. So that is a big plus why I really like these pads as well, because they don't cause irritation. There have been a handful of pads that I've tried that either increase redness, increase sensitivity, cause a little bit of texture, but these have just been so good to me that I will continue to buy them. Even though I put them in project pans, it's just to motivate me to get through the product, because if you don't use them in time, they can dry out and then you have to toss them. There's no way of rejuvenating them, especially in a packet like this where you're gonna have to lift up. It's gonna be very important to close it back all the way so nothing dries out. With them having 10, I should be able to make them through the 2 weeks rather than 2 months. Next, by Bloom and Blossom, this is the Wonder Worker Multitasking Balm. I have not heard of this brand. It is a versatile skin-loving wonder balm filled with a blend of nourishing ingredients to condition and hydrate your skin. Whether you're suffering from chapped lips, yep, dry hands, yep, or have a little one in need of extra soothing, this natural balm can help. Rich in anti-inflammatory properties to protect, condition, and treat even the most delicate of skin. This sounds exactly up my alley. My hands are still super dry for whatever reason. I'm constantly moisturizing and hydrating them. They still want to be a little bit chapped, looking a little scaly and gross. And then my lips. I was applying lipstick today. I'm just like, I just moisturized them like an hour ago. This is what it looks like. Oh, it is thicker than I thought it was going to be. Hand soaked it right in. Ooh, and that smells fantastic. Yeah, we're on that punny train again. It kind of smells like the Burt's Bees hand salve, but my hand definitely feels instantly hydrated after applying it. I need to put some on this other hand. Lastly, by Polar, this is the Ice Source Moisturizing Cream. This is a new brand to me as well. This is a cooling treatment that will leave your skin feeling hydrated and refreshed. Combining 3 active ingredients, this face mask nourishes your complexion by warding off dryness and dehydration. Its uplifting scent will also revitalize your senses. Nice. Okay, so you massage into slightly damp skin. Keyword, slightly damp, until fully absorbed. Super intrigued about this. Oh, I shouldn't have put that amazing nourishing treatment on both my hands, but I just gotta get like a little feel of it. This is it on the hands, and it does have a little bit of that cooling sensation. Hand soaked it in right away. This is really softening. I noticed a huge difference between how this was really good for instant hydration. This is instant smoothing. There's definitely a texture feel. This hand that has it versus this one that doesn't. It faintly smells like men's cologne, and I can't wait to see how it feels on the face because my hand feels fantastic. Overall, I'm super excited for my March box, especially for these 2 items. Both these brands caught my attention because not only are they new to me, these products I know are going to be immediately implemented into my routine. As I mentioned, both my lips and my hands have been super dry. I don't foresee this tube lasting that long, especially if I get like that instant relief that I did. And then this smells amazing. I hope it doesn't cause a headache. That's going to be my biggest concern on that. My hand feels super smooth after applying it. Even on top of this, like, I am just obsessed. I want my face to feel like it now. We also got replenished on 2 products that we already know and love. I like how they included a little bit of makeup. I can always use eyeliner, and I'm always cleaning my brow brushes, so this is going to be one implemented right away. And then I'm very excited to see how this will work out for like my shoulder and my neck acne. I would love to know if you guys get Look Fantastic. What did you think of March's box? Did you get the pads or the cream from First Aid Beauty? Did you get the same box as me? I'm not sure if they did any other variations aside from that. Let me know in the comments below, how did everything work out for you? What was your favorite and least favorite product? And are you guys looking forward to April's box? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.